What a cool ride. Summer is coming. The slide is ready. Are you ready too? Now we have the lightest eco scooter on display. Eco Slide Electric Scooter. Available in two colors, gray and a stylish red. Let's start with the basics. We compare it to a bicycle. There's a 1,000-watt motor at the back. Speed is limited to 25 kilometers per hour. So we operate under the bicycle rules over there. Then we have a removable battery. What is a fairly important feature of these electric scooters? It features an LG battery. It can be quickly and conveniently removed with a key and brought inside for charging. Once the battery is full, simply put it back in place, turn on the power, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at the control devices on the slide and see what we have here. We have gas, then there's a horn there, then the dashboard. The dashboard is very clear. Then on the left, there is a phone holder. You connect your phone to it and start playing music, and it has a small speaker integrated into it. It's a pretty neat addition. It's an easy-to-use control panel. You can easily turn on the device by pressing the power button until the dashboard lights up with the NFC tag icon. You use the key on it. The power is now on. Bluetooth indicates that it is on for music listening. Press the plus button there. We engage the gear. The first phase is set, and now it starts rolling forward. Then, other important features, in my view, include the brakes. This ensures that the device stops quickly.
There are effective disc brakes both at the front and rear.
And now that we've come down here, I personally really like this brown patterned retro design on this rim. This is quite cool. And nearby, there is a control if you want to go off-roading somewhere. This way, the tires grip the road surface well. The LED lights are located at both the front and the back. And there's also suspension at the front. The suspension can also be locked if desired. Then we'll go check the rider's position of the slide. You can adjust the handlebars forward or backward by loosening these 4 bolts. So you can find the right spot for yourself. Then the foot pegs are pretty cool. It's a great accessory, so you'll definitely find the right position for yourself. I'm about 190 centimeters tall, and this is actually pretty good for me. I really like this. It maneuvers quite nimbly through all the bends and curves, and soon you'll see how I navigate out there. And before I start drifting, I'd like to ask you viewers to do one thing. Please vote below the video for either gray or red.
Which one is your favorite?
My personal favorite is definitely that red one back there. Let's go see how the slide works. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you.